Hello friends, gather round for a dancing tale. Bluey tapped paws gently on soft grass. The morning sun painted golden light, birds fluttered above with joyful songs. Dance with me, Bluey called happily, wings flapped, feathers shimmered like tiny stars. One bird twirled in the air, Bluey spun too, tails swishing bright. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe, so you never miss Bluey's adventure. The flock gathered, circling overhead gracefully, Bluey leaped, matching their soaring rhythm. Feathers drifted down like colorful snow, Bluey laughed, spinning beneath the shower. A parrot squawked, higher, twirl higher Bluey, he giggled, I'm trying my best. Coco appeared, clapping her paws, Bluey, the birds love your dance. Snickers barked, wagging his tail, this is the funniest show ever. Bluey bowed with grand delight, the birds chirped, clapping wings together. Suddenly one sparrow flew close, it landed softly beside Bluey's paw. Teach me your moves, Bluey whispered gently, the sparrow hopped, spinning with joy. Together they leapt across the meadow, each step mirrored with perfect rhythm. Bingo joined, twirling beside Bluey, her laughter blended with chirping songs. The flock formed a giant circle, Bluey stood proudly in the center. Watch this move, Bluey announced excitedly, he leapt high, spinning 3 times. Birds echoed his twirl with cheer, wings flapped, tails sweeping the sky. The meadow shimmered with glittering light, every movement painted joy across air. Bluey gasped, this feels magical today, Bingo clapped, it truly is magical. As the sun dipped lower gently, shadows stretched long across the meadow. Bluey and birds bowed together proudly, hearts glowing with shared dancing wonder. Return soon for another joyful Bluey adventure.